think we found it. Oh man. Wow. Wow. We made it. We made it. This is crazy. What a view. Look out. This is the spot. Good morning. Today we are heading back into the Petra Park area, and we're going to be showing you and trying to find the top viewpoint that looks down at the treasury. You see it in photos all the time, and yeah, today we're going to try finding it and try to get that epic view that looks down right at the treasury there. So we just entered the park now. Costs, it's actually included if you have a Jordan pass, so before you come here make sure you get a Jordan pass, because that actually gives you access to a lot of the attractions without having to pay extra. But yeah, so right now we're heading into the park on the main path, and we are trying to find the Royal Tomb, which is number 7, because that is the first stop before you veer off up to the right. All right, so we've made it inside the main park attraction here, and this part is actually called the Sick, I believe is how it's pronounced, S-I-Q. Super windy little narrow alleyway here inside these slot canyons. So we came through here at night. Obviously it was pitch dark. All they had was little candles that were guiding this path. You can see up and you can see the stars, but now that it's daylight, it's wild. You can just see everything and it's super clear. Crazy slot canyons. Look at that. This place is wild. So after you pass by the treasury, you're going to continue past the Royal Tomb, which is here behind me on the right, and follow this path down, and you're going to veer off to the right, and you'll see a staircase that leads up, and that is the right direction to get up top. Okay, I think we found the stairs. No? Maybe not. Those are the bathrooms. Let's keep going. All right, so we really don't have any idea where we're going, but we're trying to find our way there, and we're pretty sure this is the right way. It says basically after you pass the main tombs, which we saw a sign back there, you'll see a trail that veers off to the right, and this is the trail right now. So over there, that is the main trail coming from that way, and now we are heading up this trail which veered off to the right. So we're just gonna wing it and see if we can find our way up. We're making progress. We came by this sign here. It says Al Kuptha Trail, and I think that is the direction we're wanting to go. Look at this. This is crazy. All these random little tombs carved into the side of the mountains. If you're walking along here, you'll see a bunch of, if you're looking really carefully, you can see a bunch of little things in the hills and super randomly placed, like staircase that are leading nowhere. Just like thinking back to like why those were even put there, or where did they lead to? Because man, it's like the hills have eyes, people living in the hills. Man. Crazy. Oh, I think we found it. So, just coming across the sign right now, and it says, "Come and sit and enjoy the spectacular view of the treasury from above." This is it. This is the start of the trail. Look at that. All right. So it says next, basically follow these stairs up and around. It says should take about 20 minutes to get up there, so let's continue. We finally made it to the bottom and we're on the right direction. So yeah, you just want to keep following this Al Kabutha trail up this way. How far is it? Oh man. Okay. Nice. This is crazy. Oh wow. Just staircases built in the side of the rocks. Oh, we got more goats on the rock. Yeah. Yeah, that makes no sense. How did these goats, how did they get up there? Yeah, I have no clue how they got up there. Like, what? What? Okay, so now we're a little bit confident of where we're going because there's defined stairs here that have been carved out of the side of this massive rock. And to our left, we got the goats. Probably laughing at us, stupid tourists. But yeah, I think we found our way up. All right, so we're making progress. Made it up the first set of stairs. Crazy, crazy view behind us. Veer off to the right, up onto the left, and now up some more stairs. Like I said, I think it's about 20 minutes to get up these stairs, so pretty tiring, so bring water. All right, I think we're almost there. Just coming up this last set of stairs here. Super tired, but I see a sign that says best view in Petra. Some donkeys here hanging out with us as well. All right, let's do it. All right, I think we made it. So we got panorama view of the theater, panorama view of the Wadi Musa city center, and panorama view of the treasury, which is the one we want to check out. So that's basically it. There's also two sides of it, so there's one that is on the right side and one is on the left side. So this one, we are on the right side of it. So once you get to that sign, you'll pass this little brick wall area. You want to head down this little trail. It's not really a trail. You see a few little stairs and just like a gravel path. And just follow this and continue your way down this way. It will feel like you're going down, but just keep heading down this way because you started up way up high. Just to get down to the treasury view, you gotta go a bit lower. So I think we're almost there. So all along the path, you'll come across these signs once you get closer that say, come and sit and enjoy the spectacular view of the treasury from above. So we're coming across another sign here. That's kind of like a guide if you're getting lost. Just keep following these signs and eventually you'll make it. Oh, I think we found it. Let's go, Zay. Oh man. Wow. Wow. We made it. We made it. This is crazy. What a view. Woo! All right, the final stages is to make your way through this little area here. If you want to see the view, you have to drink something. Okay, so it looks like they put this area here as like a stop point to make you drink and buy something, but can't complain. All right, so we made it to the viewpoint. This is pretty epic. Crazy being down there and then like 30 minutes later being right up top. So yeah, we made it to the top. They have a little sitting platform here. Good look. look out, look down below. Just looking down right now, it's still like really, really quiet. There's no one down there, and I expected it to be packed. But yeah, there's not really anybody down there. And yeah, this is it. This is the spot. So, I didn't mention this before, but there's actually 3 viewpoints that you can kind of go to look down at the treasury. The one that I showed you guys, there's one on the other side that the government actually closed. So now you have to actually pay a guard or like a guide to let you in. And then there's another one that's right outside the treasury, which is probably only like a 5-minute hike up. It's lower than the one we went to. I didn't actually go up it, but it looks like people were going up there. But yeah, it seemed that people were having to pay someone to get up there, whereas the one we went up to is completely free. It's just longer to go. So yeah, those are the 3 options if you guys decide to come here and want to get a viewpoint looking down at the treasury. All right, so that is how you get to the viewpoint in Petra, the one that you see all those photos of, looking down at the treasury. To break it down again, to get there, you enter into Petra and you follow the path for about 20 minutes until you get to the treasury from below. Once you see that, you keep passing through it, keep going right, veering past, then you get to this open area here, and you keep heading down to the main path. Soon you'll see a trail that veers off to your right. You take that up the hill, then you come to a staircase, which we're on now. Follow this all the way up. You'll see signs along the way, and from the staircase, I would say it's about a 25-minute walk up, depending how fast you're walking. And I would suggest making your way first thing in the morning when it opens. Just come directly to this spot because it does get busier as we're leaving. Right now it's about 8:30 in the morning, and we saw about 6 or 7 groups starting to pass up there. So it's not a big area to sit, so I would suggest coming really early, just so you can have like nice time there by yourself with no one to bother you. But yeah, that's how you get to the viewpoint here in Petra. And thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. But yeah, I think we found our way up. We're gonna continue walking up these stairs. Yeah, blooper. Fall on my face. Let's not do that again.